Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the MikeMbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, IT products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today is yet another day that I have another amazing review for you for a software product called MergeHost. MergeHost is going live on the 19th of July 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that's New York time for you, which I guess is 5 p.m. Central European Time and 4 p.m. GMT. And this one is going live, being launched by the great affiliate Venkatesh Kumar and vice his partner. And of course, this one in a nutshell is a web hosting, video hosting, file storage, file hosting software that is going to help you save a lot of money online. Actually, it says that you have to use this very one to stop wasting hundreds of dollars every month. Get unlimited hosting, cloud storage, and video hosting for a low one-time price without any monthly subscription fees. Therefore, if this is one you are going to require, I will encourage you guys to use the first link below in my description area. That link will generally bring you to this amazing sales page. And of course, if you stick with me, I will definitely show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. Over 1,000 tools and bonuses and softwares that are going to help you make money online starting from today. And of course, I will also show you the members area of this great software, MergeHost, MergeHost, giving you access to storage, file hosting, video hosting, and a host of others that you will find very useful making money online. And of course, like I told you, we will dive into this very one properly. And then to do that, let us actually see exactly what we have here on my bonus page, because there everything is loaded. Let us see exactly what this product is all about. Like I told you, it gives you unlimited hosting, storage, and video hosting, and a host of others. But for now, let us see exactly what I have for you, as long as some of the capabilities you have with this one is concerned. 100% cloud-based app allows you to host unlimited website, video, and store files, which means you don't have to pay any of these things that you normally do with all these services that you pay on monthly subscriptions. You will have to host your files, your storage system, and websites, and of course your videos with this very one without any other payment, and just one-time payment of a couple of dollars actually. Now it helps you also host unlimited website, video, stores, files, and without any restrictions for a low one-time price. Blazing fast web hosting and light fast video hosting is optimized for high speed. It creates unlimited domains and unlimited subdomains, free SSL certificate, and highly secured hosting, 100% uptime, and you have easy to use control panel, unlimited bandwidth, and of course automated daily backup. 100% cloud-based, and SSD server helps you to get fast loading speed, and of course it's beginner friendly. This is what the creator of Visverse and his partner Venkatesh Kumar says is going to do, and we have every reason to believe he's going to do so. Now, here are the amazing pricing for this one. The front end goes for $16.95 with a downsell of $14. That means you will have a discount of $1 and something to give you that at $14. That discount of $2.95, you're talking of approximately $3 there, and you will get the main features and MergeHost with lifetime hosting and storage. And upgrade number one will be the unlimited version of the front end, which goes for $47 with a downsell of $37, which means you get every unlimited facility that it has, as against the front end that may have limitations. And upgrade number two will be the agency rights that goes for $37. And upgrade number three is this done for you setup. It goes for $147. Everything is set up for you. Upgrade number four will be 500 profit. It goes for $27 downsell. Upgrade number 5 goes for enterprise edition, goes for $47 downsell. And upgrade number 6, reseller rights, goes for $97 downsell. And this one, you will get 100% of the profit for promoting MergeHost. You get full profit for MergeHost for each sale you make. So this is basically what this one gives you, and you can always get in touch with this when eventually you come here at your convenience, when you get access to this very bonus page of mine. Now let us go into my bonuses. My bonus number 1 will be Latitude. And Latitude, as you can see, is a unique beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. That means you'll be able to use NFTs to make money. These are digital assets, assets that will give you the ability to make money on the blockchain exchange. Okay, so it's an amazing one that was created by Jonah Armstrong, and of course you can get any of this with this click here. With that said, let us see if we can see my bonus number 2, which will be exactly Tweetex. Tweetex is my bonus number 2, and that will give you access to the Twitter traffic. Is a Chrome extension software that is going to be there on your Chrome extension, and with that it will harvest traffic to your offers from Twitter platform. So that's what you have as my bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 will be Insurgency. Insurgency teaches you how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, and this is done by, I guess, one of the best of the Facebook ads managers in the world. Was able to put up this with Jonah Armstrong. Now, I guess that's what you have for my bonus number 3. My bonus number 4 will definitely be the Lazy Traffic Sniper. This is where you lazily get traffic on autopilot, and it will make you get the access to free buyer traffic on autopilot. So that is basically what you need. And of course, you know that without traffic, there is basically no way of making money online. So that's why this Lazy Traffic Sniper may be very important for you. My bonus number 5 will be how to make 4-figure daily commissions with JavaScript Commission Board, which is another training course, a powerful one that will give you the access to use a bot system to actually get commissions online on autopilot, 4-figure commissions at that. Now, my bonus number 6 will be the lockdown formula, which is how to start and scale digital marketing. This is exactly the very product that Jonah Armstrong and Dawood Islam did during the lockdown of 2020-21 when the coronavirus was at its peak, and this very training helped a lot of people become super affiliates today, and you can replicate that very opportunity with this very bonus number 6 of mine. My bonus number 7 will be definitely the Commission Toolbox, which is a toolbox that contains over 1,000 different digital marketing tools, links to different capabilities, and you have over 1,000. You wouldn't know where to choose from, but whatever your desire is, as long as it talks about making money online digitally, definitely you will find a tool to use in this very over 1,000 toolbox for commissions. Now, that's basically what you have. Like I told you, when you click the first link below in my description area, it will take you to the amazing sales page where you are going to have access to the buttons that will give you the link you need to get to my very Warrior Plus account where you purchase this product. When you do purchase this product, when you hit this link, when you get here from the link in my description area, it will definitely take you to my Warrior Plus account where you get this product. When you do purchase this product, after your purchase, under your purchase history on Warrior Plus platform, you will find a page that looks exactly like this, with this green button giving you access to MergeHost, and of course this blue one under it gives you access to these amazing bonuses, 1,006 bonuses that I have lined up for you, which will help you in your marketing, making money, even starting as early as today. So with that said, that is basically what we have here as long as this very one is concerned. Now let us take a look at the members area. It's very easy. It's basically very easy. Here you have the dashboard. This is where you have the video hosting, file hosting, and everything you need as long as this one is concerned. And here is where you get the basic training. Let us find a way to conclude with this one. Here you get the support, and of course this is the dashboard, file hosting, file account creation. All these things are very self-explanatory. You can always get information to that, and you will be able to manage that at your own convenience. Okay, and this one-time fee payment will result in saving up to thousands of dollars on a monthly basis from your subscriptions. Now that's basically what you have here at your convenience. Without wasting much time, you'll be able to find the information you need on the sales page. Let's see if we can locate the amazing bonuses from the vendor so that you see exactly what you have also, as long as the vendor bonuses are concerned. And I want to believe that there is a bonus here. The bonus from the vendor, number 1 will be virtual summit secrets, number 2 should be blog operations, and number 3 should be instant cash systems. Number 4, of course, has to be creating digital products. Number 5 will be Facebook groups, and number 6, instant profit. Number 7 will be video marketing domination. Number 8, boost your website traffic. Number 9, social media boom software. Number 10 from the vendor is WordPress email timer plus. And these are the amazing bonuses you have from the vendor. And now let us finally close up with this one by going through the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Bonus number 7 will be the commission toolbox, over 1,000 tools for you to use online. Bonus number 6 will be lockdown formula, which helps you to scale digital marketing from scratch. JavaScript commission bot will be my number 5. Lazy traffic sniper, number 4. How to access free buyer traffic. And insurgency is my number 3 bonus for you, how you master the Facebook ads. And bonus number 2 will be TweetX, which gives you access to harvest from the Twitter platform, talking about traffic now. And of course, Latitude, a unique and beginner friendly spin on push button profits on daily basis. So that's basically what you have there, and here are the prices that you will see at your end when eventually you access my bonus page. And of course, you have all the benefits there, and you have also the amazing information on what this product is all about. And of course, here is where we definitely are going to come to the end of this very review. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And definitely I'll be back to you in the next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me from here is goodbye, guys.